Hi, this is Jared with My Healthy Food Quest. If you're looking for a different way to make crab cakes, then keep watching this video. Alright folks, let's go over some ingredients. Let me try to make everything visible. So we have our crab meat here, and it's calling for an egg, Phillips seafood seasoning. I'm just sticking to the recipe. I might play around with some stuff. Got some dry mustard. Okay, put that back here. Worcestershire sauce. I like this one, Worcestershire sauce. We got some mayonnaise. I'm going with some avocado oil based mayonnaise. We'll just put a little bit in there. It says parsley, but I'm gonna use this pasta herb blend. I love this brand, the Gourmet Collection. I always find it in Marshall's, TJ Maxx. As for mustard, whole grain I like to use. And lemon juice. It says melted butter too. I might add that, but this is the main conundrum of ingredients we're gonna need for the crab cake. So I'm excited to get started. I'm gonna make sure I get my protein intake and let's make the crab cake. All right, time to assemble. I'm gonna make room on our cutting board. Try not to ramble too much, but this is one of my favorite dishes to cook. I just love colossal meat. How beautiful that is. I can eat it just like that. So there's the crab meat. My hands are clean. I just break it up. I leave it into chunks first. And 1 egg. Just crack it right in there. 2 teaspoons. We're just gonna go, we're gonna eyeball it. That's about good. Only thing I'm missing for this recipe is breadcrumbs, but we're gonna make it work on it. Dry mustard, it says 1/4 teaspoon. Oops, just a little bit. Okay. See, some just spilled here. Okay, so that's done, that's done. Nice seafood seasonings, Phillips. How much do they want? It says 1 teaspoon. We're gonna generously season this. This is our herb blend. Nice little layer on the top. It's our fresh mustard, I haven't even used it yet. It's a nice little hefty scoop in there. I'm a mayo lover. All right, we'll cut that lemon in half. It's good right there. I don't believe I have any breadcrumbs. It calls for 1/2 cup, which I believe will be the binding agent. So I'm gonna see what I can use to bind this together. I have some oats, but let's sprinkle our oats. I'm still gonna eat it because it's healthy. Okay, so now we just mix. So I kind of break up the crab meat with my hands. And I mix everything together. So this part, once I get the consistency I want as far as like the big pieces, I leave it like this. And then I switch to a spatula. Now the spatula is used to gently turn the bowl and fold over. And then when I'm ready to fry this, or pan fry it, I'm gonna pan fry it in melted butter, just a little bit. And that will hold our shape of our crab cakes. I'm gonna show you guys another trick in a second. And I like to put this in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes just so the egg can set. But this is coming together quite nicely. So it's beautiful. So this step is done. I'm gonna put this in the fridge and I'll see you guys momentarily. So I'm gonna transfer crab meat to this container. just like to press it down. This is actually unsalted butter. First one in, like that. And that's it. Turn your flame down, don't have it too high because you're gonna burn it. I'm gonna be very honest, this is the first time ever making this recipe with oats. I like to use this spatula. It's about the size of each crab cake and it will help me scoop. But I might use a spoon on the back end to help make sure it doesn't fall apart. Okay, so we're good. Go for the flip. I like that crust, nice. Okay. So what I also like to do is take a lid and just cover it. Crab cakes are done. Let's get a nice smell. I'll do a little dollop. So I made 3 crab cakes. I'm pretty much just gonna plate 1 for now, just for plating purposes, but I'm gonna eat all 3. Taste test time. Honestly, that's good. You can't even taste the oats in the crab cake. That's yummy. Thank you for watching. Like I said, the road to 200 pounds. It's a long one, but I promise you it's gonna happen. This is why I'm shooting this content every day, to hold myself accountable. From me to you, have a good day, stay healthy, stay active, peace.